You're welcome back, my superstars. And if you're just joining us, you are welcome. Today, we'll be talking about three business ideas you can start with no money, no capital. Okay, so if you've been thinking of a business you can start, but you don't have capital, you don't have money, then don't worry. This video is for you. I'll be telling you three business ideas you can start effectively and make money without capital. All right. So I'm Ido Asetinyang. I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, let's dive in. So the first way is by being an affiliate marketer. We have so many e-commerce platforms that allow people to make money with zero capital, no money at all, by being affiliate marketers. These platforms include Jumia, Amazon, okay, and others. On these platforms, you can become affiliate marketers and make money with zero capital. Okay, I know you're wondering what an affiliate marketer. For those who do not know, an affiliate marketer is someone who sells products for a company or a platform or an individual and earns commissions. Okay, you could sell a product, like, let me set an example. On e-commerce platforms, we have people they call merchants. These merchants have products that the people that bring products to these e-commerce platforms for sale. Okay, so these merchants, you can sell the products of these merchants for them via affiliate links on that e-commerce platforms and get commissions, some as high as 10%. All right. Example, if you sell a blender, if a blender is 200,000 naira and you have a commission of 10%, that means whoever buys blender via your affiliate link, you get 20,000 naira. That's 10% of 200,000 naira. You get 20,000 naira for every sale of that blender on that platform. Okay, so the great thing about being an affiliate marketer is that you can sell any product you like. Okay, so if you love beauty products like creams, like soaps, you can sell it. If you love clothes, you can sell it via your affiliate links and make money. You can display your affiliate links on social media platforms. You can advertise it anywhere, and once anybody buys anything via that link and you make a sale, you will be given your commission. So we have affiliate programs. Jumia, they have a Jumia KOL affiliate program. Amazon, they also have an affiliate program, which when you register, you become an affiliate and you can make sales and make money. If you want me to do a full video on this, please leave it in the comment section and then I'll do just that. Okay, so the next way you can make money with zero capital is by selling your knowledge. We are all created specially and in a unique way. There is something that you know that I do not know. Okay, for example, I am known to have vast knowledge in palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, I have so much knowledge and experience in palm oil business in Nigeria. Even if you wake me up from my sleep, I can talk about palm oil business. I can give you a business breakdown on what to do, how to do, if you're going into buying and reselling, if you're going into storage, if you're going into production. I can give you a full breakdown of everything about palm oil business. Okay, so anyone who is interested in starting palm oil business gets to me to get knowledge about it. So there's also something that you know that I do not know, that is unique to you, and most people know you for it. You can actually make money from that knowledge by packaging it into an ebook. Yes, you can create an ebook and then sell that knowledge on platforms and make money in foreign currency. Okay, we have free apps. You can write your ebook, you can create your ebook, edit it, add a cover, and then host it on platforms like Amazon KDP and get paid in dollars. Okay, apart from that, you also get royalties from those books. Every from time to time, whenever there's a sale, you make money. Okay, my superstar. So that is the easiest way to make money with zero capital, with no money absolutely, by just selling your knowledge. And you only make this ebook once and you keep earning for it for the rest of your life. All right, my superstars. The next way is by creating a course. Yes, with that same knowledge, you can make money via different channels. First was an ebook, the next one is by creating a course. Okay, so for people who do not like reading, you can turn it into a course, create a video format of the course, and then you can use free apps to make the video, you use edit the video, and then you use free apps to put lots of things, free apps, and before you know it, you can host it on Seller. So these are free ways you can make money by from your knowledge via ebook, by courses. The next one is by being a coach. Yes, you can be a coach and also make money. From the knowledge you have, you can coach people on that topic you know very well. Some people keep coaching sessions for 1 hour, charge people 50,000 naira. Some people keep coaching sessions for 1 hour, charge 100,000 naira. So whatever charge it is, you can make money and make free of charge. No long thing, you just make your money and you are out after in 1 hour you have made 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira with zero capital. Okay, the next one is by one-on-one session. Okay, so I also offer a one-on-one session for people who need knowledge in palm oil business. Okay, you can charge whatever amount it is for your one-on-one session. You can charge 100,000, you can charge 200,000. Okay, one-on-one session is simply holding someone's hands. You teach the person. Okay, you teach the person everything the person needs to know about that business. Most times if they need you, they can always reach out to you. They have an access to you. Okay, so for one-on-one sessions you can charge 200,000, 100,000, and all that, depending on all how much you want to charge. Okay, so you don't need money absolutely to do a one-on-one session with someone. All you need is data or airtime in your phone, or a physical place you can meet. Okay, that's just it. But the third and the last way is by content creation. Yes, you can make money from content creation with zero capital. Okay, what's content creation? Content creation is creating content, different types of content on platforms. We have YouTube, different platforms you can create content and then make money. It may not be a fast way to make money, but surely you will make money. And apart from that, the advantage of creating content on platforms like YouTube, like I'm doing right now, is that all other ways of making money with zero capital I had mentioned earlier, you can use the YouTube platform to promote those methods and make money faster. Without being monetized, you can advertise your affiliate marketing link on your channel and then make sales via that link, depending when you'll be monetized. Okay, so you can advertise your affiliate marketing link on your YouTube channel. You can bring a product and talk about the product or create content about that product, and people will see it and like it, and before you know it, you post the link and people will buy via that affiliate link, and then you make sales and make money. Okay, the next thing is that via your YouTube channel, by creating content, you can advertise, you can create ebooks, okay, and sell to your followers depending on how many followers you have. You can also create courses and sell to your followers while creating content on your YouTube channel and make money. Okay, so this last method merges all other two methods I had mentioned earlier and creates a very reliable and great method for you to make money. Okay, my superstars. So these three methods I have mentioned on your channel you can coach people and make money, you can mentor people and make money. Okay, so YouTube offers a great platform for you to make money as a content creator. Okay, so if you've been thinking of how to make money with zero capital and you have an Android phone, okay, and you have data, then you don't have to worry anymore. Swing into action and implement the three methods I have spoken today. And then if you need any help, you can always reach out to me and I will help you. I've done a few videos on video editing. I'll leave the link in the description box. For people who are like, I don't know how to edit videos, I don't know how to start, I've done a video on how to make videos with your phone. I'll leave the link in the description box. I've done a video on how to edit videos with your phone. I'll leave the link. These are beginner videos that will guide you on how to start your content creation journey and make money from it. Okay, my superstars. All right. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. And don't forget to like this video, my superstars, and share it as well so it will get to people who need this knowledge as well. Alright, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.